Brazil, 1823. Independence hangs by a thread. On the Amazon River, the Portuguese frigate Constitution patrols, its cannons aimed at rebel ships. The Brazilian brig Caboclo dares to challenge her. A clash is inevitable. The Constitution fires first. A disaster strikes. A cannon misfires. The explosion rips through her own deck. Smoke fills the air. Confusion spreads among the gunners. The Brazilians see their chance. Caboclo moves in, sails cutting through the mist, ready to deliver the killing blow. One misfire, that could decide the war for Brazil.